Right, so anyone that's seen the previous videos where my lovely VFR's got a ticking noise coming from the front engine bank, I've done the cam chain tensioner. Wasn't it? It was a nice easy job, but unfortunately wasn't it. This is a horrible job. Going to be cheap to replace. Anyone care to wager what the actual problem was? Left one come out, that's the left exhaust gasket, not too bad. Right one come out, that's the exhaust gasket for the right one. Yeah, I think it's safe to say that might be causing a few ticking noises. I don't think that's working how it should. Yes, these have not been pretty. So I'll get the rest out now, give them a scrub, more penetrating fluid, I'm done for today.